number line and answer the following. Let us see the solution of the given problem. In part A, we have to find which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of -2. First, let us draw the number line. Mark the point -2 on this number line. So -2 is here. Now we need to move 4 numbers to the right of -2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers to the right of -2. After moving 4 numbers to the right of -2, we are reaching the number 2. Hence, if we move 4 numbers to the right of -2, we will reach +2. This completes the solution of part A. Let us consider a number line. Let us mark 1 on the number line. Now we need to move 5 numbers to the left of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So move 5 numbers to the left of 1. We will reach -4. Hence, if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1, we will reach -4. Thus, we come to the end of the solution.